This is just a short video on how to make squash bread. Filming it with one hand, so it's going to be a little difficult. What you want to do is you want to cut your squash at the top where the squash connects to the plant itself, where you've broken it off, and then the bottom you want to take off, of course, almost like a carrot. And then just start cutting it in little pieces that will fit into your mandolin. I've got it on the julienne blade right now, and then as you slide across here, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get a nice shredded amount of squash, and then we'll put the other ingredients in. Okay, now we're going to start assembling the bread. Got 3 eggs. There's 2 already in there. And then 1 cup of oil. 1 full cup of oil. 2½ cups of sugar. 1, 2, 1½. Then we're going to need 2 cups of zucchini, and that's the shredded zucchini that we did earlier. 1 cup of that.
What kind of bread are you making?
Zucchini bread.
Zucchini or squash?
Yeah.
I think it's squash.
It's squash bread. Zucchini recipe. I can tell this isn't a cooking show. I'm not ready. I got to open everything as we go here. Which lets you know if I can do it, anybody can do it. My wife's on the camera and she said I'm not going on the camera. So I'm stuck with making it. There's 2. 3 cups of flour. 3 tablespoons of vanilla extract. 3 tablespoons baking soda. 1 tablespoon baking powder. 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. I don't think this one's going to make the YouTube's favorite videos, but at least it'll show you how easy it is to do it. If I can do it, anybody can do it. 1, 2, 3. And then chopped nuts. You're going to do cleanup. If I got to do all this and embarrass myself on the YouTube universe. And we're going to try to make it a little healthier. We're going to throw some raisins in. Probably about maybe like a ½ cup. So we're going to go ahead and put the beater on. Anyway, that's all for wet ingredients and dry ingredients. Put it on. Start lightly. And if you can see what's inside there, it's starting to get doughy.
Good.
We want to get it to like a pudding consistency.
That looks good. A couple more minutes on the beater. And then we'll put it in the pan and cook it on high on 350 for like 40 minutes.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Okay, now that we're all mixed up and we've pre-greased our bread pan, just going to pour it right in there. Now dough is self-leveling, I guess you'd say. That once you pour it in, it'll just fill in the pan, and those measurements that we gave you will be just enough for 1 loaf of bread. Of course, if you need to do more of them, then you're going to have to double your measurements. Alright, so there we go. And let's see how it self-leveled itself out. And we preheat the oven to 350. And just slide it right on the rack. Just like that. And we're going to bake for how long, Michelle?
40 minutes.
40 minutes. 1 hour, actually. 1 hour at 350, and we'll pull it back out and take a look at it. Thank you. Okay, here we are. It's fresh out of the oven. It's still nice and hot to the touch. So go ahead and do your own zucchini or squash loaf bread, and let us know how it turns out. This one recipe and this last bread here is dedicated to Sylvia Kimmel. It was her recipe. So everybody sample it and let us know how you like it. Thanks for watching.